Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Utterly. Utterly means completely and without qualification. For example, he looked utterly ridiculous. He looked utterly ridiculous.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Their sporting achievements at the very highest level are being utterly ignored. Now, repeat after me. Their sporting achievements at the very highest level are being utterly ignored. The second exemplar. It may not be comfortable reading, but it is utterly absorbing and wildly funny. Now, repeat after me. It may not be comfortable reading, but it is utterly absorbing and wildly funny. The third exemplar. Her features are utterly flawless and her eyes really are an unbelievable shade of violet. Now, repeat after me. Her features are utterly flawless and her eyes really are an unbelievable shade of violet.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound ee in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.